Happy Memorial Day weekend, everybody. Welcome back to RVA Lawn Love. Today is a day where us as Americans, we take a day in remembrance of those who served our country but never got to take the uniform off. Today is also a day where us as Americans, we take it as a day to get out in the yard and get ready for the summertime. Have some family and friends over, grill out, cook out, barbecue, whatever you want to call it. And like I said, remember the servicemen and women who never got to make it home to see their families again. So we spend time with ours, remembering them. Part of the fun of being in the lawn this weekend was I challenged Jeremy of the Greener Lawn to a stripe contest this weekend. So before we get into that, let me give you a quick little backstory. I started my YouTube adventure 1 year ago this weekend, and my yard was a complete salad bar. I had just made plans to put in some irrigation and start to do something with the yard. So I waited until fall, completely tilled it over after I killed it all. It started from seed, battled with 2 hurricanes, fungus, and army worms. And by about Halloween, things were looking pretty grim. But got it back in shape, and this spring, she popped forward looking really good. So you can see I've come a long way since last October. However, I went camping for this holiday weekend, and when I got back, I noticed that my irrigation game is pretty weak, and I've got some signs of lawn stress going on, heat stress, some patches that are struggling, but still striped up pretty good, so I'm pretty happy about that. And so that's the quick story on me. That's what I've done and what I've managed to do in the past year. So this isn't even 1 year of growing. This is just 1 year since I discovered lawn care on YouTube. So when I got home yesterday and noticed all this heat stress in my yard, I was considering doing like a microgreen app or something just to try to give me some more color. But then I got a phone call saying that my grandmother's husband for the past 14 years, my step-grandfather, who's a wonderful man, had just passed away. So I kind of lost all motivation at that point, and I just let it ride. But with that being said, this video is for you, Elwood. Love you, buddy. See you on the other side. Without further ado, I give you my submission for the stripe contest. That's all I can do. Summer got here a little early on me. I went camping for the weekend. When I got home, I found out my irrigation game is pretty weak. So I spent over an hour in the yard yesterday. I adjusted 14 or 12 of the 14 heads. So hopefully I took care of that problem. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Jeremy's channel. I'll leave him right up here. Here's my channel right here. Don't forget to subscribe, see what I got going on for the rest of the year. And check out the link below in the description to vote. You gotta vote for the best stripes. Don't forget to check out the link down in the description below to vote for which lawn you think has the best stripes. Keep in mind it's a stripe off, not a health competition. I know I'm looking a little rough with the heat stress. So, but check out Jeremy's channel right here. Check out my channel right here. Subscribe to both. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.